Organize your move with a moving checklist. Moving is a chaotic and stressful time. There's so many things to arrange: having utilities switched, signing up the kids for a new school, scheduling the movers, packing the house. With all the other things you do, it's not easy to find the time to get everything done. Using a checklist of tasks can help keep you organized and make sure you don't leave out an important moving task. I suggest that you start the list well in advance, a month or more before the move. Just jot a few things down and then leave the list on the kitchen counter or fridge where everyone can see it. As you think of new things to add, write them down right away, or it might be too late when you think of them again. As the time for the move grows closer, you may want to transfer the list to a calendar format. Some of the items, like notifying the phone company, will be things you can do in advance, so you can assign those a date and then each day check the calendar to see what tasks need to be done. Cross off those that you have accomplished and you can easily see what is left to do. This method also works well if you are delegating some of the items on the list. You can add the name of the person responsible next to the task, and this will avoid any last-minute "but I thought you were going to do that" problems. When the day of the move comes, you'll probably still have plenty left on your to-do list, so make sure that it's the last thing you pack up on your way out and the first thing you unpack at your new home. You'll probably need to add tasks that are specific to your situation, but some common items on your to-do list might include: orient crates, buy boxes and get packing material. This can be done in advance. Pack unnecessary items like knickknacks and anything you can do without until after the move. Getting this stuff out of the way ahead of time will make moving day easier. Get your new house inspected. Put your pay stubs, bank statements and other documentation in a folder for your loan officer. Arrange for utility shut off, reconnect for phones, lights and gas. Notify business associates, free articles, friends and family of change of address and new phone number. Put your new address and phone on checks and business cards. Schedule a final walk-through to inspect your new house. Fix any items that came up in final walk-through for your old house. Get a certified check to bring to your closing. Most banks require this, and you'll really screw up the works if you show up with a personal check, or a moving truck, and movers unless you are moving yourself. Schedule move-out cleaning so your house is clean for the new owner. Schedule your pets to go to a friend or kennel on the day of the move. Having a moving checklist won't magically make everything happen right, but it can help to make things run a little more smoothly.